How do I check which version of Python is running my script? How do I check which version of the Python interpreter is running my script?
This information is available in the sys.version string in the sys module. Human readable. For further processing, use sys.version_info or sys.hexversion. To ensure a script runs with a minimal version requirement of the Python interpreter, add this to your code. This compares major and minor version information. Add micro, equals 0, 1, etc., and even release level, equals alpha, final, etc., to the tuple as you like. Note however, that it is almost always better to duck check if a certain feature is there, and if not, work around, or bail out. Sometimes features go away in newer releases, being replaced by others.
From the command line, note the capital V. This is documented in ManPython. From IPython console.
Use platforms Python_version from this lib.
I like sys.hexversion for stuff like this.
If you want to hear more, please hit subscribing.